I'm Joe Oswald. New Earth Woodworking is my business. Started here in Dubuque, Iowa about a year and a half ago, specializing in custom furniture and small household goods. You know, like your obvious cutting boards and charcuterie boards and things like that, but trying to branch out into more custom furniture.
Awesome. Why get from us? Why Rustic Lumber?
I mean, obviously it's the selection that you guys have is unmatched. I was looking for trying to become a unique furniture company and working with Monkey Pod, Perota. I just finished a dining room table out of Perota. Customer was, extremely happy, looking for something exotic, something one of a kind, and that's what I'm trying to specialize in. Working with you guys has been super easy. You guys are super friendly, so I couldn't really ask for more than what you guys are offering.
What's your favorite slab to work with so far?
So personally, I'm partial to walnut. I've done a lot with walnut. It's native to the Dubuque area. Around the Dubuque area, the best walnut, best veneer grade walnut is grown. So we kind of are in this great pocket for good wood. But I haven't worked with Monkey Pod yet, but I'm super excited to get in on it. The Perota, very similar, but a less dense wood. As Zach mentioned to me when I bought it, it really burned the nostrils. So I'm hoping Monkey Pod is a little less on the nostrils, I guess. So.
Is this going to be your first big cookie slab you've worked on before?
First cookie, yeah. So the other one was a long grain slab.
Yeah.
So this will be the first large cookie slab. And I mean, I don't know, if you look at it, it's one of a kind.
Yeah.
The double trunk, it's super unique. We were out in Colorado and stopped on the way back to, just kind of check stuff out. My wife saw it and she's like, this is what I want in our dining room. She had to have it, so I wasn't expecting to buy anything that time, and it worked out that she wanted something, so yeah, it was perfect. But yeah, so it'll be for our dining room. It'll be my first personal, custom piece of furniture. I have a large Monkey Pod slab for a desk build that I'm gonna do for myself, but other than that, I've done a couple Perota slabs. But yeah, so this will be for our dining room. It'll be kind of our showcase piece. I hope to, have it for obviously years to come and have our family grow around it. And eventually we'll probably have to get a bigger slab.
Yeah.
But this will work for now. Zach was kind enough to bring a bunch of different pieces for me. It's super, we're 6 hours apart, so it's kind of hard to gain the true beauty of what these pieces are without seeing them. So it's super cool that you were kind enough to bring this stuff. He brought a bunch of stuff, but these are the 4 that I kind of picked out. I don't know, you're better at it than I am with the pronunciation. Yeah. I know this is tiger wood.
Yep, so we got tiger wood here, cucaracho, we got a little Monkey Pod and another cucaracho, and I specifically picked that piece because I'm like, I know, I don't know how he can resist that one.
Yeah.
The grain figure in that, but
yeah, I told Zach I didn't want anything else, but I knew I couldn't resist if he did bring some stuff for me, and it works out because I have a coffee table that I have designed, and I'll build with that, and the rest I'll find something for. So
awesome.
Yeah.
Well, shout out everybody, or shout out your again, and where they can find you.
Again, New Earth Woodworking. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Instagram. Soon to have a website here. It's in the works. But otherwise, we're in Dubuque, Iowa. Local custom furniture shop. So thanks, everybody.